Hello, my name is Tiago.
And I'm Lewis.
Welcome to How to Evolve a Legacy iOS application written in Swift. And the main idea of this screencast is to take an iOS legacy application and introducing incrementally good software practices like TDD, refactoring, continuous integration, while we are still delivering value by shipping updates to the App Store.
This screencast is for intermediate iOS developers. For iOS developers who want to look how to improve a legacy code base with clean code practices.
How this screencast works is that me and Lewis are going to pair. Sometimes I'm going to navigate, other times he's going to navigate. And we are going to publish everything. So we are just showing our screen, what we are doing, and we don't edit out mistakes. So the idea, we also don't edit out discussions, and we are going to evolve this app as if it was we are working on a real project.
We are doing this because there's a lot of material out there to learn how to do test-driven development, for example, but there's no material looking at how to take a current code base and add test-driven development to it.
Now a little bit of our background. I work as an independent mobile developer, so my applications in the App Store have more than 200,000 downloads, and I worked in several companies from 40 people to 4,000 consulting companies, and I worked in more than 20 projects and across different domains from banking, health, and education.
And I'm more at the intermediate level. I built an app for a startup which has 10,000 downloads. I build across iOS, Android, and a backend. And my code base was built very quickly, and I'm now looking to improve it with clean code practices.
Hope you are going to have fun and learn a lot of things.